Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out of Gmail on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your Gmail. Then once you've done that, just go ahead and click on your profile at the upper right side of your screen. And then make sure that this is the right account. And then click manage accounts on this device. And then here, just go ahead and click remove this device. And then click remove. So as you can see, that account is not here. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.